What up?
Sky.
Okay, we are at the Yellow Gap Trail on our way to Paddy's Creek Falls. Maybe do some swimming if it's nice enough. This trail can be a little bit hard to find just on the southern end of Old 105, but if you're lucky, sometimes you'll see another car parked here, so it kind of helps with locating the trailhead. Trailhead is actually right across from us, but like I said, it's really hard to find. Just kind of hidden in the bushes. You just got to keep an eye out for it. Looks like they painted the log orange, so you can find it a little easier. Alright, so we're at a ladder. It looks like a man-made ladder. Somebody built it just out here. It's pretty rickety. So we're gonna have Jaden go down first, I think. What do you think?
Okay.
You make it?
No. I don't.
Watch out, I'll go first.
Okay.
Alright, Steve's going first.
Oh wow, this is scary.
Slide your foot down. There you are. Keep going. Right there.
Dangerous.
Good job.
Thank you.
What was that place called? Paddy Cake Creek?
Yeah.
Paddy's Creek Falls?
Paddy's Creek Falls, that's it.
Alright, so we just finished up at Paddy's Creek Falls. We packed some lunch back at camp and now we're going to be heading up. This is technically the Mountains to Sea Trail, and there's a pretty cool vantage point not too far along that we're just going to climb up for the good views and eat lunch. So let's go. And we made it to the top and we ate lunch and it's a pretty good view. How do you like it?
I think it's really cool.
Yeah. There's about 4 hawks flying, circling us when we were eating. We were a little nervous they were going to try to come down and scoop our food, but we finished eating and they all took off. All right, so we just got up to Wiseman's Overlook. It's a really easy trail, maybe like a 1/10 of a mile, and you basically just drive up to the trailhead. But it's got really great views, so if you're in the area, you should just definitely stop by. There's usually a lot of people up here. It's kind of a touristy spot for this area, but somehow today, nobody. Not a single person. So, oh, that's cool. Successful landing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.